Well, as you can see, we're out to the off-grid property. The weather is beautiful today, not like last time where it was pouring rain. Let's get stuff done. So last time, Derek forgot the keys to the camper, or the batteries. We had the keys, he didn't have the battery. So this time we have the battery. So we're gonna get the slides open today. That's the big job that I want to have done, so I can go in there and clean up and get things organized, because I brought stuff out last time, and next time we come up we're going to keep bringing more stuff. So that's job number one, open slides. I think I better move that out first. All right. So the last time we were out, all I could see was just the dead flies. And I cleaned that up and there's more. So as soon as we have the slides open, that is going to be my job. We need keychain hooks. I will tell Derek. A little something more practical, because now I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put the keys. I don't want to put them in my pocket. Which one are you going to turn on first or open first? Don't know yet? Okay. This one right here? Okay. I'm ready. You ready for the next one? I didn't get an answer. I'm going to go ahead and think yes. Oh, maybe not. I hear him walking in there. Of course, I turned the camera off. And then that's when he starts doing it, right? So there's no point me flipping the camera around. We're just gonna go with that. Nice. You don't realize how much space it gives you inside when those slides completely open up. It's pretty remarkable. So now I get to go inside and start cleaning. All right. Ta-da! All right, so must remember where the lights and everything, feels so long. All right, let's see here. There's one light. They're probably at the door. Ike says, it's been so long, I don't. Ceiling. There we go. Much better. Like I says, it's been so long. It's been so long. I don't quite remember where everything is. I like the fact that everything looks nice, clean, neat. Says I'm gonna sweep the floor, get those dead flies out. For some reason they got in, not much we can do, but everything looks great. That is what I wanted, so I'm very happy with that. So I brought a few things out, so let me start cleaning and go from there. So my goal was to get all the dead flies because I didn't want that. Do not want to commingle with some of the dead flies. No thanks. So that is all cleaned up. Now I can't leave the lights on too long because it is just on the battery, and we don't have the generator or anything out. Is it hooked up to the solar? I'm not sure. That might be next. I'm not sure. So yeah, we have officially opened up the RV for the season. It would have been our last time, but someone forgot the battery. Anyways, no big deal. It's all part of it. If it wasn't so far away, we could have turned around and come back, but we didn't. So here we are. So now I just get to bring some more personal touch, just to make it more homey. So I was gonna bring like dishes and that, but I think we're gonna stick to paper plates because the last thing I want to do is do dishes out here. No thanks. I don't want to. It's to make it easy peasy, work, comfortable. So yeah, it's exciting. So I'm gonna finish up here and we'll head outside. Yeah, so I just brought out a couple things. So pillowcases and slippers, lights, cutlery just in case, and of course I need some horsey stuff here because it's a must. So some glasses, you know, just a few things at a time, just so that we're organized, because we're not always going to remember. Oh, look, see, I can put these up for the hooks. Yes. Okay, well, maybe Derek is already on top of it. We got batteries out here already. Huh. Nice. Oh, yes, I got my oven mitts. Oh, I got more of my signs. Okay, I get those out. Those are all the stuff that must come out as I'm making a mess. Yes, gotta have oven mitts, because you just never know. Look at all the stuff that I forgot that I brought out. So, pretty sure the cutlery would go there, though. I feel that that is not the right spot for that stuff. I will move that. We got even scissors in there, which is handy. Yes. A whole bunch of stuff. Extra batteries. Band-aids, because you just never know. Things happen. Yeah, so I'll leave that in here for now. The cutlery should be at the top. I think so. I'll leave the scissors there, because definitely need to know where those are at all time. And now, going to be to find where all my signs should go. Put one there for now. Oh, found another fly. It says it's a quick cleaning. I absolutely love this one, right? So if anybody who knows me knows that I love the beach, I love Florida. If I could become a snowbird, I would definitely become a snowbird. Florida is 100% my favorite place in the world. 100% looking forward to going again. All right, so I'm just gonna temporarily just put them little places. That's not gonna stay there, but that'll stay there for now. Just for now. Just always need plastic containers, because I already have cups up here and my pug mug. So I'm just gonna set that there for now. It says nothing is going to be in there permanently. It's just to get things slowly organized. I mean, considering the amount of space, it's really not bad in here. I mean, we're not living in here. It's just for when we come out to camp, off-grid property. I know it feels like it's camp, but it's not. It really is just at the off-grid. So yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of stick things in areas, because I'm sure that Derek is going to like move them. Maybe I'll put this one in the bathroom. There's really not much in there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's gonna move stuff around too. Or I'll tell him where I want them, you know, permanent places. But just for now, that'll do. Yeah, so always gotta have paper plates, just because, yes, I'm not out here cooking. So I'm gonna leave this set of lights with that one, these guys, in that way, because when it gets dark, it gets dark. So yeah, I'm happy at how everything stayed very nice and clean. Very happy with that. All right, I should probably turn lights off, save the battery. Yeah, so this trip was definitely productive. Good. That's all done. Good. Now I'm going to head out. I'm going to head outside and I'm going to see what Derek is up to. Yeah. That view. All right, so just talking to Derek. He's just puttering around the RV here, just getting things cleaned up a bit, and then we're gonna call it a day. So we got lots done. I know I didn't videotape everything, but I want to make sure that you guys saw that we got into the camper and everything is good, and we got the slides open. So yeah, that was for us, that was a very productive day, because we still have to head back to the farm. It's not like we can spend the whole day here, which I wish I could, but we're not quite there yet. Soon. So yes, so that is it for today, and I appreciate you guys watching and your support. And yeah, we will absolutely catch you on the next one. Take care, everyone.